In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google. By the end, you'll know exactly how to launch a Google Meet instantly, so you can jump into a call without any setup or scheduling. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the Google Meet homepage. The quickest way is to type meet.google.com into the address bar and press Enter. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account. Being signed in ensures you get full access to meeting controls and that your meeting is tied to your account for easy rejoining. If your browser asks for permission to use your camera and microphone, choose Allow so everything works the moment your meeting starts. You can always adjust these permissions later in your browser settings. Once you're on the Google Meet landing page, look for the New Meeting button. Depending on your screen size, it may appear at the top or along the left side. Click it to open a small menu of options. This menu is designed to give you flexibility. You can plan ahead or start right now. For our purpose, we're going straight into a live call. Select Start an Instant Meeting. As soon as you click, Google Meet will create a meeting room and open it in a new view. You'll see your video preview and the main meeting controls along the bottom, including mute, camera toggle, share screen, captions, and the hang up button. If you're joining from a quiet environment, unmuting your microphone is fine. Otherwise, start muted and unmute when you're ready to speak. If your video doesn't appear, double-check that the correct camera is selected in the Device Settings panel within the meeting. You'll also notice the meeting link and code displayed prominently, usually in a pop-up or the People tab. This is the link you can share with teammates or clients to have them join immediately. Copy it and send it through chat or email when you're ready to invite others. If anyone has trouble connecting, remind them they can paste the code directly into the Meet homepage. Before participants arrive, take a few seconds to tidy your background or switch to a blur effect in the visual settings if you prefer extra privacy. If you need to show your screen, use the Present feature to share a tab, a window, or your entire display. That's it. Open Google Meet, click New Meeting, and choose Start an Instant Meeting. You're live in just a couple of clicks. Thanks for watching, and happy meeting.